This training covers editing and updating content in Blackboard. So looking at the star here, you want to edit the welcome section. You go to the item options, click on edit this. You click on that and you make changes as needed. Okay, so you can remove all of this. If you want to take all of this and you delete it, you press the delete button on your keyboard and then go to the content. You can copy content from Word document or any text editor back to your Blackboard. To copy, to paste into the text in Blackboard, you have to use Ctrl V. Okay, so you have to use your keyboard shortcut using your mouse. Just as this example will return this message, it's telling you should use Ctrl V. You can copy using the click on your keyboard. And once the content has been loaded, and then you scroll down, you submit. Before you submit, you make sure permit users to view is turned to yes. If you have date limitation as to the restriction of the display of the content, you set that parameters here and then you come to submit. Right now, I do not want to make changes to this text, so I'm going to cancel. Once that is done, with the browser check, you're checking the compatibility of your browser. Okay, so it supports your browser and operating system. You want to see whether the Blackboard Learn is compatible with your browser and your operating system. Now, the about this course, here you provide information about yourself. Once again, you're using the item options and then you're going to edit this. Right? You come all the way, you put your name, you type your name in here, you use your keyboard or just get rid of your name here. You provide that, you come, your email, and all other corresponding information goes there. The same way, you're going to make sure it's yes for users to view. And if you have a restrictions as to when you want them to view it, you set that here. Then you go ahead and submit. I'm going to cancel because I don't want to make changes. Your syllabus goes in here. Okay, the same way you're going to click to edit. And then you put the time here. Currently it's 42018. If you have instructions for the student, you put it here. Now to put your syllabus, you're going to browse wherever you have the syllabus located on your computer. You click on the document. So I'll click on this and then you open it and you come here to submit. You're going to submit and your syllabus will be showing. But right now, if I submit this content, it won't be, the document will not be visible. Even the whole session will not be visible because permit users to view is no. So if I want it to be visible, then I put yes. And then the display period, if I have one, I'm going to set that. So I will cancel again. I won't submit because I don't want this to be in there. Then for the textbook, the same way, you're going to edit and then provide information about your textbook. You get rid of all of this. This, what you have is just a template, an example of what your textbook should look like, how your textbook should be placed in here. And then you're going to go here to delete all of this. If you already have your textbook in your syllabus, then you can copy from your syllabus. Like I told you, don't forget to use your keyboard shortcut. Assuming this is my textbook, then I can copy this as it is and then do Ctrl V. Remember, you do Ctrl V with your keyboard shortcut. And then right now, I need to permit the users to view it and then submit. Okay. The other ways to get your syllabus, your textbook, if you have the ISBN, you can go to partner content and then search for book. Provide the ISBN if you have it and you do go. That way you can have your syllabus in that section as well. To the course materials, here you load on course materials, course contents goes into this section. And to create folders, if you need to do it in folders, you go to content, build content, and from build content you click content folder. Once you have content folder, you give it a name. Assuming I'm calling this chapter 1. You have instructions, you provide that in the text. And like I said, this has to be yes always. And then I'm going to submit. I have a folder. Okay. If I want to move this folder up, chapter 1 folder, click on it and then drag it all the way down, all the way up. Now to load content into my folder, I'm going to click on this folder and then I can load corresponding content. Assuming I want to load PowerPoints that are saved on my computer. So when you use item allows you to save on more than one file, and at the same time you can write to make it visible. So I probably can say chapter 1A. Okay, so browse my computer, put this as the content. I'm going to use this, and we encourage you save as PDF. Make sure you already save your content as PDF. And then I will have it here. Hello, this is the pig. I'll just put this. Whatever message you have, you put it here. That is using item. With item again, I can attach more than one, like I told you. This is a PowerPoint. I can attach this PDF. You see, both of them are here for the student to see, and this has to be yes always. Then submit. Okay, this is what item look like. Let's build content using file. If I put file, chapter 1B. Okay, now browse my computer. This again. Now you should notice with file, it doesn't have the text box, so I'm not able to type any content here. I can only attach file. So when you're using file, you can attach only file, and you can attach file just one files, unlike item where you can attach more than one file. If I need to select a different file, it's going to get rid of the existing file. Okay. So let's have this here. You can only do one file. So take note of the differences. With I'll just give it this name. With content and with item, you can have more than one files attached. With file, you can have only one file. You can attach more than one file. With item as well, you can write content. You can put text in the text box, but the file does not have that option for you. Okay, open a new window. I'll do yes because I need to open another window and download in another window. And then the permit user is always on. I'll submit. Okay, you can see the difference. This is an item. This is a file. Okay, item takes files. It also gives me option to put text. File, you can only put file. This is a file. Okay, it's opening this way. You've seen that it's going to open. You can only put file. You cannot add text to it. Okay, so you build content that way. As means a link. If I'm putting a link, I go to web link. If it's a web link, I just give it the corresponding title, and then I come to the link. I'm going to use this link as an example, and come to the link, and then put my web link here. Put the text I have, submit. Okay, so the web link will be there. And takes once it's clicked on, take student to the link. Okay, so I hope this short video helps. We already went over assignment and tests and discussions in the previous video. So what you need to do again for further Blackboard help, just come to this URL. You use the help.blackboard.com/learn/instructor. Okay, you're going to find resources here to help you manage your courses and create content. If none of them is listed here, when you do a search, just search a particular keyword, and it will show you the training videos or the tests to guide you through creating content in your course. As always, please give me a call or email me for further questions or concerns. Thank you.